My name's Antonio Buehler. I'm from Austin, Texas as well. I'm one of the founders of the Peaceful Streets Project. The Peaceful Streets Project got started last year, about a year ago, in April 2012. And it happened because I was assaulted and falsely arrested and charged with a felony crime of spitting in a cop's face because I saw a cop abusing a woman and illegally putting her into a torture move, essentially. And so I took a picture and I tried to call out the cops, get them to stop what they were doing. And then they arrested me and charged me with that felony of spitting in a cop's face. Fortunately for me, there were a bunch of witnesses who saw what happened, and they came forward, including one with a video. And because of that, we were able to actually get some media attention, and people were able to rally around me. As I sort of became a face of police abuse in Austin, a lot of victims came forward to me to tell me their own personal stories of abuse, stories that make mine seem like a joke. And they had no one to support them because everyone believed the cops, and they didn't have anyone to film them to prove their innocence. So a lot of them ended up in prison. So we decided to take what we had in support of me and try to build it into a bigger organization, a grassroots effort to fight police abuse. So we launched the Peaceful Streets Project with the mission of creating a nonpartisan, nonviolent, direct action group of volunteers who are going to go out and hold the police accountable, teach people what their rights are, support them as they flex their rights, and try to force the police to stop abusing people through shaming and public pressure. We've had a great year so far. We were named the best grassroots activist movement in all of Austin, Central Texas, and we've gone national now. We're in about a half dozen cities, and by the time that we have our second annual conference in August, we're probably going to have 15 to 20 cities around the country engaging in direct action to fight back against police abuse.